Hey, what's up, trader? This is Aussie Frank, and I would like to short it. We will look now for the reasons why. So we have this beautiful channel defined by these three levels, and I'm thinking the price is heading back up into this top of these of the confluences of these two channels. But however, what happened right now is that basically the price has reached this beautiful supply zone or institutional level, if you will. And what I'm expecting in here is the price to drop lower. So let's go to the lower time frame and we will check what's going on in here. So basically we can see that as said, the price has reached this supply zone, which is as well the top of this channel, right? So currently I'm thinking the price will continue to drop, and I have as well a couple reasons than just these technicals for that. So it's basically the COT data. So this is Aussie Franc, so we will check the Aussie and we will check the Franc as well. So let's check them out. So what's going on the Aussie? We can see basically that the Aussie looks bearish. If you make a first look to the positions, you will think it looks bearish, right? Because what we can see here is simply that we can see that there is no long positions, right? We can see the longs are very cooled off, and what we can see is that we have quite big shorts positions. But what is happening is it basically can be called something like a profit taking. So we can see these shorts, basically they reached this 110k, 117k, which is here, right? This 117k, which was the extreme, the long shorts position. Since then we can see that these shorts positions are basically dropping. So basically the shorts are being closed, which is bringing the price up. That's why we have seen this on the Aussie. So here is the Aussie, and if we bring this COT release candle, which is my indicator, which is showing me where was the data released, so we can see basically that for last 1 2 3 4 5 maybe 6 weeks, what was happening on the Aussie. Let me bring the Aussie COT in this chart as well, so we can see that. So what we can see in here is basically that for the last 6 weeks, it's the positions are basically closed, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 weeks. So for the last 8 weeks they've been closing these short positions, which bring the price up. However, the banks did not bring any longs position, so they need to accumulate that in order to move the price higher. So that's why I'm thinking the Aussie will be currently dropping down, right? So let's back to the Aussie franc. So I'm thinking that the Aussie will be weaker currently because there is still these shorts, and as well we had this actually nice rally on the Aussie pair and Aussie USD, and I'm thinking currently we will reach this bottom on this wave 4. So while looking to the franc, if we check the USD franc, which is the other pair in this cross pair, we can see that basically the price started to drop from this long-term channel, right? Let me show you in here. So here is where the price has reached and started to drop down in this channel. So what I'm expecting is price to drop lower in here, and it could be moving in this short-term channel, right? So franc is bullish, right? If we look to the COT data, we will see that basically similar case. We don't see much shorts on this USD franc, which looks excuse me, which looks bearish for the franc. But this what has been here was the extreme. Again, we always like to look for the extremes, right? So we can see this extreme lowest shorts. So extreme lowest shorts was 2 weeks ago, which was here on this top while we've been reaching this channel. So we don't see it in the positions yet, but what I'm thinking, and we can see it on the chart, that the price is dropping because this is like his 5 years historical low position. So on the franc, so they are coming inside, and it could be dropping, and it could actually break all this and drop lower, but that's too much making the um predictions to the future. So what we are interested in now, we are interested in this Aussie franc. So let me move this away, and yeah, so here it is. We can actually go to the 1 hour, and I will be waiting here. So why I'm actually not waiting for the bigger pullback or something like that, because currently we have created the wave one. Now here is a pullback, wave two, and I'm thinking right now that this is wave three, right? So wave three is not gonna make it like this. So it's gonna be like a continuation from somewhere here, right? So we have a wave one, wave two. That's gonna be wave three, maybe taking out these lows. Then we could have some bigger pullback and like a slow accumulation, wave four, and then wave five, right? So yeah, I'm bearish. I'm waiting for this. What's gonna happen in here? Maybe I will open one small position already with the stop loss slightly higher above these zones. If I will be taken out, that's of course gonna happen. I will be entering again. So I'm very convinced that this is gonna happen. But remember, nothing on the markets, especially, is never guaranteed. So make your analysis as well, and I wish you good luck. Bye bye.